Yeah, keep telling yourself that. It's not what I want to see. I want to see you lose. I want to see the lost games. Those are what matter. You want to post the bad shit so you can get like evaluated. Yeah. Any game with me is good shit. I know.
Okay, group up.
That's a meme.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Chill's almost down. Chills.
I'm returning to payload. Let's keep it moving.
D.Va is so low. Nice time.
I am
Yeah.
not a good loser.
Payload's not going to deliver itself. Move it.
Distraction at least.
Seconds remaining.
Halfway there.
Get in there. 30 seconds remaining.
Attack.
Nice D.Va.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah, nice try.
Complete.
Ah, fuck this.
Score 1-0.
What's wrong?
Switching sides. Get uchis. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
What map? Sure. There's high ground, low ground. Oasis.
You want
Oasis.
to
Oasis
dive
is probably
tanks
best on
on
last point.
defense?
Yeah.
I can do Pharah, but
Can we get the shield tech? Like restore line?
Soldier or Pharah? I got Soldier.
Thank you, Ace.
Your safety is my primary concern.
Verstanden.
No, Diva is just right on this first point. Because we can use Diva to dive them back, dive their back line.
Yeah,
If they dive us.
Attackers.
Diva and me are gonna harass.
Yeah. I can use you as a focal point in there if I need to fire as well.
Yeah, let them.
Yeah, let's go up here. Let's hold up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna harass from the backside.
Uh-huh.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
They got the widow? Yeah, here. They're doing quad tank? Triple tank?
Oh shit.
No, triple tank
Roadhog
widow.
got me.
Yeah.
So good.
They have
Yeah, both of us supports got pulled in the back.
Reaper.
Sorry.
It's the strat.
Back up.
Zenyatta has no escape. You can
I'm down
focus
for
Zenyatta.
The payload.
Otherwise, I would say get
Come
like
on,
a Zen
this.
Reaper road.
That wave is destroying me.
Yeah, I'll stay with you.
Tank with
Deal with
a
her.
Reaper.
She's not doing headshots,
Did
only
you
body
see that, Moira?
shots.
Yeah, but
As I say
Play
that.
around lines of sight where the Widow can't do that
exactly.
work.
Yeah. Go too soon. Soldier, can you go Reaper? Is there a chance you need a Reaper?
Sure,
I'm just thinking, does Reaper would be better against 3 tanks? We need to pitch, guys.
We need to stop them.
I've got a Moira and a Diva on me.
Widow got me again.
They were all behind us. There we go. We should be able to hold now. So there's a hog behind. Fine's low. Good job.
nice, Sweeto.
Yeah, Reaper was a good pick.
Behind us, there's 2.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
1.
Is it a hard game? Are you winning or losing?
I'm just ult here.
Yeah. Thank you for switching, by the way.
It's okay.
They're all up top.
They're all up top, yeah. Oh, dropping down. Rhino charge, he's behind us now.
Wow. That was
Good job, guys.
insane.
Good job. They're still going triple tank, but they have a McCree now, so be careful.
Yeah, they're going for me.
Yeah, they switched off a Widow for McCree.
Probably a good decision for them.
Rally at my position.
Yeah. No, we're good on point, Ursa. We can hold payload, Ursa. It's fine. Just the further we go up into them, The easier it is to hold. Retreat's behind us. On the stairs.
Ryan is low.
Ryan's charging. Up in Valk. We need to fight him.
I'll get behind them.
Okay.
Nice one.
Retreat's in the mini room. He's behind now. I got him. Maybe, maybe not. Okay.
I just hit the wall.
Pod's ulting.
Nice to
Yeah.
sweet on. Go, go, go.
Retreat, yeah, Moira's up top. She's trying to push.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
wait,
gonna save my ult.
Okay. Yeah, good idea.
They're all pushing left or right.
I got you. Hey, there's a diva back here.
Yeah, David's behind us.
Okay, we can have this in 1 minute.
She's ulting. I might die. Nope. Baby diva on me. Deadeye.
I will die.
They're pushing payload. Our Ana's dead.
Damn.
Okay, we're down 2. Careful.
Oh, nice one.
Good job.
Nailed it, boys. I'm gonna save that ult.
Yeah.
That's so nice. So.
They went 2-2-2 at the end, but they can't beat this. They might get here. Trade on top. This is Zen up top.
They're up top.
They're behind as well. No, I had Valk. Go, Diva, go!
He's top first.
Oh shit.
I'm still new at this.
Ryan is sleeping.
What? Get back up?
Beyblade wins!
Nice, Reaper.
Good job, guys. GG.
Nice.
Some person make a carry play?
Wow. That nano was insane.
Good job, guys. GG.